OK OK。
我们正在做一个实践课。
This is where pulled noodles and ramen. You know, you think ramen is from Japan, but no. Ramen is actually a word taken from Lamia and it's from China, this city. So we are going to try this. Hello, namaste, welcome to the new video guys. My name is Garima and I make travel vlogs. Right now I'm traveling across China and I'm in northern part of China in Luanzhou in Gansu province. I think that's how you pronounce it. So welcome to Luanzhou guys. This is second tier city of China. So in this video I will show you around the city and we will experience the amazing ramyun, which is the pulled noodles where it was invented in this town. So that's how the view are looking in the morning. It was raining before, you can see. And guys, this is the second tier city of China. And you know, you see all this market, this is like mechanical shops, hardware, all those stuff. You can see the posters on the building. So I don't know, all kind of mechanical stuff. This is the mechanical market and this was my room. I was staying here. We paid literally only $10 for such a big room, guys. See how spacious it is. It has two bed, it has everything. They gave me water, toiletries, it has heating also because it's cold right now in northern China. But this room was just $10. China is so amazing. So let's start this video. I have packed my bags. Let's wear jacket and head out. Everything is sorted. So let's start our day. And by the night I have a train to different city in the same province. So for next 1 week I will be exploring the mountain region of China, which is quite controversial also. So many Muslims they live here, but we'll see how things are. And let's start the vlog. So guys, today we are going to do something that I have never imagined and I'm trying this for the first time in my life. This is insane. We have matcha, this very famous drink with a weird color, very aesthetic, right in our hand. So I don't know. And I have plain matcha as well. It's the moment of truth. Like a grass, but not too bad. This one is not too bad. It has little bit of milkish thing, maybe whipped cream or condensed milk, and of course a lot of matcha. This one, hey. This one is very thick. I think this should be more diluted. This is very thick. No, this was not the right one. But this, okay, approved. Guys, it doesn't beat the coffee. It doesn't beat the coffee. So guys, this is how the market area for mechanical parts look like in China. You see, all these are like stuff to build, construction. So metro is quite near. We are going to the metro station and we have to reach Zhongshan Bridge. And my internet is not working. Maybe it's finished already. So let's explore north of China. Here people are little different. They speak their native languages. Yesterday I met some people in the restaurant. They don't even read Chinese. I was so shocked. Maybe from the village, you know. But wow, there is no internet, good network, it's not working. Crazy. Wow, it's cold. I'm celebrating winters, which I didn't want to, but God put me in the situation to be in the winter. You see, this is like the main road now, and this is our metro. So now, okay, let me try again, please, for God's sake. Okay, it worked. Yes, let's go. This is like the tourist spot to see around. Okay. Line 1 directly. Perfect. This is line 1. So we can take directly line 1. Okay. Let's go, guys. Sort out our life in China. So guys, I'm finally in the tourist area. We just came out of the metro, and you can see this is the mall, all the buildings right here. This is a very big mall here, and in this store they are selling the fresh fruit candies, where they put sugar in the fruit and then freeze it or something, and then it becomes like a glass, tuck tuck tuck. So when you chew, it's like a different fruit feeling with sugar. I want to try, but I don't know if I'm ready today. So welcome to the tourist area of Luanzhou. Let's explore. Let's go to the famous area here, Yellow River. So we are going to the Yellow River, and let's see how it is. All this is like shopping area as usual. Look, this girl is trying. They are trying this fruit with the sugar. Nice. Hey, so cool. So they all have shops. Oh, sweet potato. But it doesn't look good. I don't know. Maybe these ones look okay. I feel like I'm old person who like to eat these things. I want to ask him how much. No. Oh, okay, okay. Sahi hai bhai, let me eat this. So guys, I'm sitting on a chair in a tourist area and just having sweet potato. That's it. Life in China for me is about just enjoying. That's it, nothing else. It's crazy. Sometimes I cannot even believe that how comfortable it is. It's hard to believe. Okay. Somebody throw the napkin, so she came to clean. Anyways, it's crazy. Bye. Let's have our sweet potato, then we go to the bridge area and I will show you the bridge. So I was taking a little bit of sunshine. I don't know, it's cold today. We have to walk a little bit more until we reach the river. And yeah, that's about it. All these are shoe showroom, sneakers, and then they have China Gold. The jewelry showroom, you can see the golden one. Nice. Right now the price of the gold is like so high. Ooh. Wow, baridi. Hey. Let's keep walking. So guys, you see this is the cloth showroom, but in China actually it's cheaper if you buy the clothes online. In the malls and shops, the prices are like double. It's way, most of the time it's way cheaper to buy online. So, but they also have the stores, of course. And nowadays, I'm not good at bargaining, so I avoid totally. I'm really not good at bargaining now. That Indian quality in me has gone. And then the old people, they are sitting in the sun and playing cards. So you see, everyone is playing cards in the sun. So sun is right there. Neha. भाई सब कोई ग्रुप में ताश खेल रहे हैं यहाँ पे सिटी सेंटर का जो सेंटर एरिया है। तो धूप निकली हुई है सामने एंड ये लोग बोल रहे हैं ठीक है भाई वीडियो बना लो। ये देखिए भाई गजब। इधर भी देखेंगे तो यार इधर भी ये लोग लगे हुए हैं, बैठे हैं सारे ग्रुप में। भाई सब कोई ग्रुप में बैठ के खेल रहा है। दैट्स इट। And this is the temple, the old architecture right in front of us. So guys, in social media and news channel there is a myth that in China the temple doesn't exist, the mosque doesn't exist, but it's not true. If you come to China you will see that they exist, but Chinese people just by themselves they have stopped believing in religion. That's it. But see this old architecture. I think this is temple, but maybe now turned into shopping. So you see this is the old architecture here, and they have shops. Let's see on the map what's. Yeah, you see Sangwon Temple, ancient city. So that's it. They exist, but I cannot explain you. How can I explain this temple? It's true that
能翻译怎么到？在后庭有
Okay. Guys, it's like used to be a temple. Now there are basically shops. He told me, yeah, this is ancient temple. I asked him, but he did not say if it's Tao temple or Buddhist. But now actually what they are selling, let's see. Oh, all kind of stuff. This is like religious malas. So nice.
后面。
And this is ancient. Oh, this is the temple area, main. I see now. You know, I was almost believing like Western propaganda that China doesn't let anybody follow their religion. But no, okay. This is locked. This is the main temple area. And outside people are selling stuff. Like religious stuff, antique stuff, all kind of things. And kids are playing. Nice. This is the temple bell. See, ancient temple bell. Nice. You see? My goodness, I was about to believe like China doesn't let you follow religion and destroys temple. No, that is Western propaganda, guys. See, right, I'm in the middle of temple right here, you see, and the door is closed. Maybe they don't have a festival or something, but that's the main temple area, and all this is ancient architecture. Nice. This side also there is something. Let us see. Wow, old Chinese architecture is so cool, to be honest, is amazing. See, this side also something religious. They have not destroyed. You see, they have. Wow, it's like when they pray drum tha tha tha. So guys, this is China. Everything religious is right here. Some people say online that China don't have temple or mosque. Not true, they have. Look at this famous area, guys. People are taking photos. To me, this is just a rock, but maybe there is something written which I cannot understand. But Chinese people, they are taking photos, making videos. I'm showing you the local city life in the mountain of China. You see, this is so crowded today. Guys, China is so advanced. भाई चाइना कितना एडवांस है टेक्नोलॉजी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर में, लेकिन मुझे विश्वास नहीं हो रहा है लोग ये ब्रिज देखने के लिए आ रखे हैं. See, they have decorated the bridge so well with these lanterns. At night maybe they glow also. Oh, no car on this bridge, only for walking. I just noticed. Oh, that's why so many people are here. This is just a walking. You see, everyone is taking photos and walking around. Nice. This side is the river. And right in front is the cable car. Guys, how a bridge can be so famous? Like everyone here is for the bridge. Whoa, 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 the boat. Happy Saturday to everyone. तो यार मैंने भाई यहाँ पे लुआंजो का फ्रिज मैग्नेट लिया है, तो यहाँ पे और भी थे बहुत सारे. So I chose this one. It's so nice, and I like this province, Guangzhou province. So yeah, of course, I would want this fridge magnet to be on my fridge. It's cool. China have a very cool fridge magnets. It's like 10 yuan, which is $1 or 20 cents. Like India ke 100 rupees. In 100 rupees, guys, such a big fridge magnet. It's good. Guys, I was just walking by and I think every Indian will be so interested to see this. So, you know, we have seen online all the robots and everything in China, how the robots clean the streets and all that. And literally I came across the place where it is stored. So are you ready? Let me show you. So just look at this here, guys. This is the cleaning machine in China. See how this robot and this machine is stored here. Like this is the place. So when it will be time, I think it will automatically go out and start cleaning. So robotic system. Guys, this is, randomly it came in front of me, randomly, I swear to God. Whoa. And there is a big camera right here, which is of course watching us. This is crazy. Ticket office for the cable car. We have the ticket now. And let's go and experience cable car in Lanzhou. So let's do it. We paid 50 yuan for upward. Okay. So okay. She made me sit in the middle, but it's okay. I'm just one. So we have paid 50 yuan to go upside. If we have to come down by cable car, we have to pay 30 yuan again. But I think I will walk down, so it's okay. This is the Yellow River cable car ropeway. Let's go. Nice. Wow, it's insane. We reached back, so now we have to go to see pagoda. This destination, this cable car, it stops where there is a pagoda, so we are going to see that, and on way back we'll go by bus or by walking, so it's fine, all good. And dogs. Right in front of us is pagoda. So people are here to see this temple on the mountain. It's quite famous actually, more than you can imagine. So wow, this architecture looks so nice. Oh, we can see by, but it's all empty. You see, this is like a shop, but it's empty. Nice. Nobody is praying, but people have came to watch the temple. This pagoda is everywhere in the photos. Okay. Okay. Are you from Luanzhou?
Yeah, I'm a student.
Student.
From Lanzhou.
Okay. Okay.
我们正在做一个实践课。
Okay.
可以简单跟你
ये
聊
लोग
两
इंग्लिश
句
में
吗？
बात कर रहे हैं. Okay.
How old are you?
26.
26.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
你知道中国的重阳节吗？
No.
重阳节是一
What is
个
that?
尊敬老人的节日。
Oh. Which month?
This is Chinese traditional 节日，用英语怎么说
Festival.
？A festival.
In October, November, December.
The next week. 星期三。
Okay. Next weekend.
Next weekend.
Okay. In Luanzhou or
No, no,
all
no.
China?
Next week. Next week. 下周三星期三。
Oh,
Next
okay.
week.
Okay, okay.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. शिशे भाई ये लोग रिकॉर्ड भी कर रहे थे. So you know, I think in China, this is like, you know, it's practical for them. Students who are learning English, they go and they find foreigners and they talk to them, and then they make video and then they show in the classroom. This is hilarious, but it was good, nice. They got 2 minutes video for their practical. So guys, now we are on our way back, and let's try Lanzhou traditional noodle, originated here. This is the city. So nice. We are going down now. Let's go. It's almost 5 p.m. So we are good on time. Place have so many temples. It's unbelievable. And they are praying. In this temple, it's open. Just look at it. See how people are praying. यार ये पटाखे हैं क्या भाई कि कैंडल है? Whoa, guys, so many temples in this city. Wow, so interesting. You can see behind me, this is the great sunset view. Right here there is a boat for food, but I think no, I'm not going here. It won't be too authentic. So beautiful sunset. Let's go back, and now I will talk to you once I reach restaurant. I cannot even speak, it's so cold. You know, you think ramen is from Japan, but no. Ramen is actually a word taken from Lamia, and it's from China, this city. So we are going to try this, and kitchen is right here. Most of the people here, community locals, are Muslims, but they still make vegetarian food for you without any problem. So it's all good. Let's see, they have put the chili, and she gave me some vegetables on the side. Nice. Whoa, guys. So this is the traditional way to make pulled noodles. Nice. So this is lamia with herbal soup. They have in this region, which is like coriander, spring onion in water with garlic and lot of chili. So guys, you can literally feel that this is handmade noodle. There is a big difference. Wow, I was so cold, now I'm feeling warm. Good. तो यार रात को भाई सिटी सेंटर कुछ ऐसा दिख रहा है, अलग ही रौनक लगी हुई है भाई, लाइटें ही लाइटें हैं यहाँ पे हैं, मतलब भाई पूरा बाजार बिछ गया एक तरह से. बट एनीवेज अभी हमें सबवे स्टेशन की तरफ जाना है, तो मैं वापस जा रही हूँ. शाम का टाइम हो रहा है, 7 बज गए हैं. 10 बजे अपनी ट्रेन है भाई अगले शहर के लिए. बट आप लोग यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं, सब ने दुकानें लगा रखी हैं अपनी. रात को मार्केट पूरी बिछ गई है भाई, गजब. इन द मॉर्निंग इट वॉज नॉट टू मच, बट now suddenly during the night it's all full. There is lot of crowds today because of Saturday. And I passed this same street in the morning. There were not so many people selling stuff. Right now it's busy as hell. Oh my goodness. Right now it's all full. It's totally different vibe. Guys, this is how people in China are enjoying. World thinks that they are suffering, but when you come here, it's something else.
Arrive at destination.
Okay, in 50 meter, arrive at destination. Nice. Whoa. You see in front, you see branded, and then you see local. So, I mean, anybody can do business here. It's crazy how crowded it is right now. But yeah, it's same in Chongqing. I've seen it before.
糖炒板栗，现炒现卖，走过路过。
Oh, candies. Nice. Nice. Here also candies.
Navigation end.
来，新鲜的寿司，美女们、小哥们看一下。
This is the subway. Let's go. We have reached.